Okay, what is up, Michael? How are you? This is the last and final tutorial on our clownbounce game. so, um, this tutorial we're gonna work on backgrounds and sounds. Now, sounds are kind of a difficult thing for, they're just kind of difficult because some of them take a while to start, like, I don't know. You'll figure out what I mean. So, I'm gonna go to the internet and go to Google Images. Now, I was thinking of something that should be like relevant to our game, so I put carnival because clowns and carnivals, right? So, I'm gonna pick this one. I'm gonna right click, press save image as, and we're gonna name this carnival underscore image, and we're gonna press save, and we're gonna minimize that, and then I'm gonna go to backgrounds, right click on backgrounds, create background, and I'm gonna name this BG for background underscore carnival, or game background, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna press load background. Then I'm gonna find the one that I downloaded and press OK. Now I'm gonna double click on room, and something I had trouble with at school, I didn't really know where backgrounds was. The teacher's just like, okay, find the background or put the background in your room, but I didn't know where it was, so it's right there. And we're gonna click on that, and then we're gonna press this, and we're gonna go to BG Carnival. So this shows up. Now, that's not the way I want it. So I'm gonna click on stretch, so it's just one whole picture, and there we go. Now we're done that. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, I was playing around with this. Alright. I don't really like the green on my walls, but since this is just a demonstration, it doesn't really matter. You can do whatever you want. If I was actually doing this for fun, I would change the walls to, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, I'd make them black or something, but there we go. Now we're going to add sounds. Now, you're gonna go to Google or the internet or whatever, and you're gonna type in MIDI world, and you have to make sure you have the same website as me, because some of these websites can put viruses on their computer, so you have to watch out. Then you're gonna scroll down to the search bar, and they have some genres in here if you want any, but I'm just gonna type in clown. You can browse all these, you don't have to do what I do, but just, yeah. And I'm gonna pick this one. So I'm gonna press download, and now it's right there. I'm gonna minimize this, and I'm going to right click on sounds and press create sound. I'm gonna name this SND back sound, so background sound basically, and I'm gonna press load sound. It's right here, and I'm gonna press open, and I'm gonna press OK. So I'm gonna double click on clown sound, or object clown. So we're gonna go down here in the create event. For the actions, we're gonna go to main one right here, and we're gonna drag the sounds here. Now we're going to click SND back sound, and the loop is going to be true because we want it to go forever. So loop, that means after it's finished playing, it plays it again. The thing, I'm just gonna move it to the very top just because, but the thing is, this is the only sound I'm gonna show you. But if you wanted to put a sound whenever the clown hits the wall, you go to collision with the wall, and then you put a sound here. So, like so, if I had, well, I could download a boing sound. Boing. Find a good one here. And then I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to select it, right click on it, and press copy. Now I'm going to go to YouTube to MP. Okay, actually I'm going to start from the very basics so you don't get the wrong website. So I'm going to write YouTube to MP3. MP3 is the name of the file, which is basically like a music file. I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to right click here and press paste. Now we're going to convert to video, and this shows up, so I'm going to press download. And I'm going to minimize this. And then I'm going to right click on sounds and press create sound. SND_boing, I'm going to name it. And we're going to load it. And it's, oh no. Which one is it? Cartoon boing sound effect. Which one is it? Okay, so we're gonna press OK, and then we're gonna go to when it hits the wall, this sound will show up or will play. I'm gonna go up here, and I'm always gonna put it in the very front because that's what I do. So that just means, basically, there's an order here. So if I did, actually no, I'm gonna put this underneath. Sorry, but so that means like the order. So if it collides with the wall, I'd put the boing sound. Okay, so when it collides with the wall, it bounces against the object and then it plays this noise. But if I did this, it would play the noise and then bounce against the object. Like bounce away from it, right? So you can do whatever you want. It doesn't really matter for this one, for this event, but that's okay. So then I'm gonna press SND boing, and I'm not gonna loop it. So I'm gonna press OK, and let's play the game. Oh my god. This is intense. Okay, that's it. But you can do whatever you want. So if you wanted to make a sound every time you clicked it with the left mouse, you'd have to go to the left mouse event, right? So you just have to be careful when you're putting the sound. That's basically it. I hope you have fun with your game. And you're done. Now you can add more detail. You can take your time on it. Next time I'm going to show you how to make a maze game. I'm actually going to pull it up for you if you want. What is it called here? Sylvie Maze Game. I'm pretty sure you've already seen it, but I'm going to show you again, just so you know, okay? This is what you're going to be making. It's going to take a while to make this game. Like, a lot of tutorials. A lot of them. A lot. So, yeah. You can add so many things. It's gonna be really cool. And then after that, we're gonna make a shooter game. And then I'm gonna show you how to make a Mario game. That's gonna be the coolest. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.